guess I'll just call him. Now, if you'll excuse me.
Not so fast, fancy pants. Your wallet and that snazzy briefcase you're carrying. Hand them over.
This might help. Y'all, so as you can see, we picked up them 5s. Haven't taken a look at them yet, but we about to pull up to this birthday party, and then yeah, we gonna get some B-roll, get some other shots in, and we gonna get to the house and then talk about them. All right, so let's go. All right, y'all, so as you can see, we got the package secured, y'all. Man, this release was actually insane. We gonna talk about it in a little bit, but as you can see, ended up grabbing a 9.5. This for the homie, so we gonna put that to the side. And within the B-roll, we ended up doing B-roll on the size 11 that we got. So as you can see, today I did not get my size in person, but do not worry, your boy definitely hit on that JD pre-order. It's actually kind of insane how I can go for in-store and then turn around and get exclusive access for the ship to me option the next day. But hey, what can I say? Look, I spent a lot of money with JD. But anyways, y'all came here to look at the shoes. I'm not gonna hold y'all up, but flip it open, got the black garbage bag. Flip it back, and then you have them black metallic 5 Reimagined. Let's take them both out, shall we? Now, I was surprised. I did not realize they came with black laces. I probably should have known. I should have did my research and saw videos on it earlier. But honestly, yo, these look great. I'm not even gonna try it. Like I said, my 11.5's coming in the mail sometime this week. We're gonna see how that's gonna go, because look, recently we've been having issues with some of our packages because our apartment complex been doing a new system. Whatever, right? We're gonna hope and pray that they come in the mail. If not, I'm gonna be upset just a little bit. But black metallic 5s, y'all. So as you can see, when you get your pair, they're gonna have like a little cutout material. Watch out. They're gonna have a little cutout material there, or like a cardboard material to kind of protect the lace lock from actually scratching up the 3M on the tongue. But the thing about what makes this Reimagined is that the seams on the outsides here, this is all 3M. So if you end up taking like your phone, you do the flashlight, it has like a little reflective material. Don't think it's gonna actually show up here, but it may, I don't know. It has like some type of reflective material. So the reflective material is on the back. So instead of like the normal white stitching you would get, it has the reflective material there. So that's new. And then all of the seams on some of the edges of the shoe also have the 3M on it. When you come to the soles, nice icy blue soles. You got that Nike and bold print written there on the bottom. Jumpman in black. Looks navy blue, but it's actually black. Got the Nike Air hang tag. Translucent. I actually like this. I do like the translucent look of the Nike Air tag. And like I said, you get black laces. These are great, to be honest. Look, we're gonna talk about this release, y'all, because this release was actually insane. You know, for the longest, sneakers, specifically Jordans, have released in the past, and even though they may be a good colorway, like for example Black Cat 3s, they sold out. But when you look on the resale market, they're not really going for much. You know what I'm saying? Today, man, it's sad, but I've been seeing people fighting, people getting shot over these shoes, and I'm just like, you know, I'm getting older now. It's like somebody might feel like in the moment, like, hey, you know what I'm saying? They might have their ego being away. You know, be feeling entitled to a certain thing and might want to use force or whatever. I'm like, man, I'm getting too old for all that. Look, if I can't get them, I can't get them. It's not meant for me to get them. So no need to be fighting out here for shoes, y'all. Let's leave that in the past. But at the same time, you know, you have people coming from different graphics. This might be somebody's livelihood. They may be trying to make money off of these shoes. So at the same time, I get it, but at the same time, I just know it's not worth it. So like, just based off of this release alone, because, you know, a lot of people been talking about Jordans, how like, you know, Jordans are done. Off of this release in its own, you can, it's kind of like, yo, like, I mean, granted, let's take a look at them again. I mean, these are great looking. Honestly, I feel like a lot of the pairs that came out, quality control wise, excellent. You know what I'm saying? I really wish this was an 11 and a half. I would have laced these up today, because at first I was like, I ain't gonna keep them. And then I was like, you know what? If I can get 2 or 3, I mean, I guess we could talk about this now. You know, when I get exclusive access, you know, you gotta wait in the queue. Don't know if y'all familiar or not, but if you have exclusive access and you spent a certain extensive amount of money with JD or Finish Line on the account, you get exclusive access. Now you got to know when the exclusive access drops, because you kind of have to be in beforehand, get into the queue, because whatever store you have locally, it's not going to have that many pairs. And then you have to see if they have your size. Obviously, I have a big size. Big sizes are the first to go. You know what I'm saying? So at 11 and a half, normally I can get in quick. I thought I had the method. I do have the method now. I reanalyzed on that on the day afterwards when they did the ship to me option. But for in-store, I kind of took it ill, but not really. But essentially, normally I would just leave the shoes there. But what can I say? I'm also a businessman. I saw the prices. I'm like, I could grab anything and, you know, basically make my pair free, because they're going for like $280. If you selling them local, you could probably make $300. You could probably sell for $300. We pay $225. I probably wouldn't get them for free. Let me stop lying. I'll probably get them for a nice little discount. But you know what I'm saying? But the homie hit me up. I'm not gonna charge the homie resale. Whatever it is, whatever I paid plus shipping, that's the homie price. But I don't give that to everybody. You know, today is February 8th, Saturday. Tomorrow is Super Bowl Sunday, February 9th. Who y'all got for the Super Bowl? Look, I'm not a big NFL fan, but my dad resides in Kansas City. So, you feel me? There's like a little place in my heart for Kansas City. Like I said, I haven't watched a single game all season. Don't cook me in the comment section. I don't care, really. That's for y'all to debate about. Look, that's my reasoning. I don't watch football. I don't watch sports. I played it in high school, but I don't watch it no more. It doesn't really entertain me. That's for another story. Outside of that, y'all let me know in the comment section who y'all want to win for the Super Bowl. Let's talk about some future releases. So as you know, today was the Black Metallic 5s. If I'm not mistaken, I think yesterday the Bread 85s dropped for only those select 23 stores. That whole release, I'm not really fond of, because when I tell you, I've seen the most, like even outside of like the Christmas Jordans, like the Legend Blues, like you see like a little bit of promotion. Fam, when I tell you, every time I turned around and looked up, there was so much promotion for the Bread ones, the band ones, because it's the 85 cut. They try to make it look exactly like the original. The story's phenomenal, but it's like, for there to have so many limited pairs and only 23 stores can actually get them in, I'm looking at it, I'm like, you're showing me something that realistically I can't get, or realistically a lot of people can't get. I could have got them, I really didn't try. So I'm not mad I didn't get them, but I just don't like how the release was, because it's like some people don't get out much. So you might see it on the internet and be like, oh, I might have a chance to get this shoe. The shoe doesn't even drop on sneakers. How are you really gonna get them if you're not even plugged in with the store? Y'all let me know how, if y'all was able to get them, that's great. I do personally know some people that were able to cop in Houston. Houston had a few select stores that did get them. So shouts out to them. Congratulations. They to the toe, they wearing them for themselves. That's what you like to see at the end of the day when it comes to the sneaker community. But y'all let me know, did y'all hit on them 85 breads? I know I didn't try. But the whole release and, them just, and then they, you see celebrities get them And it's like, fam, if you wanted to do just a limited, like just drop with your friends on celebrities, that's cool. Like, but don't get our hopes up thinking we gonna get them for real, for real. Because a lot of stores backdoored, a lot of stores was canceling orders. But we're not gonna talk about that. We here for these. Like Metallic 5s, man, I'm not gonna talk too much. I wanna do a monthly recap this year. 2025's here. You know what I'm saying? January just passed. January was crazy. February's been crazy as well. It looks like we're gonna have a hectic 2025. But hopefully, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up on this video and put them post notifications on for any future videos that I may come out with. And yeah, that's gonna pretty much wrap it up, y'all. I appreciate y'all for watching as always. Did you grab this pair today? Did you strike out? Let me know if you hit on sneakers. Whatever your means of purchasing these today was, y'all let me know in the comment section, man. But it's your boy Moody. We gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Be tuned for some more different type of videos, vlogs. Hopefully y'all enjoy those. And we're gonna see y'all in the next one. So I'm gone.